Hello, everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will be learning Amazon. So, let's start with the history of the company. But first, I would like to tell you what exactly is Amazon. Amazon is referred to as the biggest everything store. Biggest everything store means the store that has different types of commodities and daily life products. Okay. So the company evolved substantially over time in order to gain its present title as the, now you must hear this praise, the largest online retailer in the world. The largest online retailer in the world is Amazon. Okay. Now, who is the master? Who is the founder? Who is the mastermind? Who is the CEO of Amazon? His name is Jeff Bezos. And he started to what I can say brainstorm ideas that morphed into the development of Amazon in the early 1990s. Okay, 1990 was the year when he started to brainstorm and roadmap the ideas of Amazon. Okay. Nevertheless, Bezos was confident in his plan, of course. Founding Amazon in Seattle. It is a state in the United States. Exactly. When did he found Amazon? He found Amazon in 1994. And why did he name Amazon Amazon? Now let me tell you, Amazon is a river in the south of America. So Jeff Bezos just envisioned the company's size that it would eventually mirror the river's enormity. Okay, so after few months of strategic planning and preparations, Bezos launched the company website in July of 1995, and well, the rest is history. Now, in 1994, Jeff Bezos just founded the Amazon. It was physically adopted actually, and in 1995 he created or he launched a website of Amazon. Website means a marketplace or a common place that we can visit online. Okay. In just under a month, the company shipped books to every state in the US and to other 45 countries. Now, the first product that was sold on Amazon was book. Okay, different types of books were sold on Amazon in the first place. Okay, most of them were related to literature, art, and all these sort of uh, sections of reading and education. Okay. Its early success is attributed to Bezos' hands-on approach. He was so determined for the company to gain its instantaneous momentum that he aided in his delivery services, helping assemble orders and driving packages to the post office. Now, in 2022, the products are being shipped by the Amazon different partners and employees, etc. But firstly, it was Jeff Bezos who did all these things by himself. Okay, he was the one who managed, who founded, who directed all these things. He would get an order from a client and then he would pack his commodities and ship it by himself through post office. Now, in 1997, Amazon went public, increasing the awareness of the company and providing opportunity for investment. Now, in 1997, Jeff Bezos tried to hand over some specific tasks to others. like he made a section for investments that one could sell on Amazon. His own products could be sold on Amazon. Those products would have no relations with the Jeff Bezos, who is the founder of the company, but he will take some shares. He will take, say, 5%, 10% of the actual revenue. Okay, so this was decided at that time in 1997. Now, the company positioned itself as a prominent book retailer after this breakthrough by becoming the exclusive book retailer on AOL and Netscape's commercial channel. This same year, Bezos hand delivered the company's 1 million order to a customer who ordered a Windows NT manual and a biography about Princess Diana in Japan. Wow, amazing, amazing. Another important thing that we should discuss, the company began to expand its product lines by launching different products from different sellers, and he expanded the marketplaces of Amazon, like Amazon acquired online booksellers in the UK and Germany, highlighting the predatory nature of Amazon on its competitors early on. They also acquired the Internet Movie Database (IMDb), giving Amazon the advertising resources required to sell DVDs and videotapes. Okay, this is something worth mentioning. Now, Amazon also launched this some music and some video platforms on Amazon. Okay, he tried to give sections to each and every department he possibly could, and he did it with a vision. Okay, now in 2022, Amazon is the world's largest e-commerce platform, and no one can compete with Amazon. There eBay, there is Walmart, there is Daraz, uh, there are so many Chinese e-commerce platforms, but no one can compete with Amazon. Okay, so today we discussed Amazon. We generally discussed it with its relation to his founder. Okay, and what is most important that I would suggest that you should read it. You should come online and get some time to read all about Amazon. And if you have any question, you can ask me later on. Thank you so much.